One way for nearly anyone to become a journalist is to create a blog. It's quick, easy, and free, and an excellent way to add viewpoints that might otherwise not be heard. So who creates these blogs? Again, anyone and everyone. News organizations have also jumped on the blog bandwagon and use them to tell stories that might not otherwise make it into the printed product. Now, some blogs are run by journalists who follow a specific beat. WRAL.com employs Faye Prosser to run its Smart Shopper blog, shown here, which is a collection of coupon and sale notices to help its readers save money. They also send out a daily email with the blog posts. Now, individuals who don't work for any specific news outlet can also run blogs, like Duke alumna and former Durham resident Lydia Simmons, who runs the music blog Sunset in the Rearview. So how do blogs differ from traditional journalism? They're typically shorter than traditional newspaper stories. As there's no news hole to fill, they can be as short or as long as the writer wants. Some of those Smart Shopper blog entries, for example, are little more than, there's a new coupon, good through a specific date. Now others are much longer pieces about how to get the best prices on your week's groceries. They often have a much more conversational style. It's the blogger writing specifically for and to the readers. Now posts can be made more quickly, which also means they might contain more errors because they go through a less rigorous copy editing process. They can also include much more opinion because, again, there might not be a copy editor around to ask questions about whether the story is fair and balanced. But is blogging a form of journalism? Yes. As we already learned in the Obsidian Finance Group versus Crystal Cox court decision, it is. Like it or not.